Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to create a token absolutely cheapest in the market. So it means it's gonna be around $10 or so. It's our system. Let's make the token. So as you can see, we need a name. So let's start with my token. Token symbol, my TK. It's good to have a short name basically here. Then for the supply, I suggest to go with 1 billion. It's already presetted, so usually that's what everybody does, you know. The image, we're gonna go with my face as an example. Decimal, you can keep it at 9. Only if you want to divide it further, you can have a look here. It explains a little bit more how decimals works, but mostly everybody uses 9, you know, so you can use that. And for token description, we're just gonna say my first token. Then for the website, I include my TikTok, and yeah, and we keep revoke update. That means basically you won't be able to update the token metadata after you create the token. Usually you can keep this, well, if you want to change the token data afterwards, well, you can turn it off, but best is to keep it on. Revoke freeze, so revoke mint. So revoke mint is basically you cannot mint any more tokens after token is created. So if you do not have this on, it will give red flags basically. So yeah, and revoke freeze is basically you can freeze wallets that they cannot sell. They can buy, but they cannot sell. Usually it's a honeypot, so sort of speaking. So it's better to keep this on, because I'm not even sure exactly why would you have this off. But if you're gonna have any revoke freeze or revoke mint off, your token will appear as scam. So you have to have that. Okay, guys. So then we just go into connect wallet. Let's connect. Then create a token. Now it's gonna come up how much it costs, 0.068 SOL. As you can see, so it's the cheapest in the market. Cheapest. You cannot find any cheaper. We made the cheapest. We looked around, nobody offers this price. Only if you're a developer and you can build your own little script, yeah, you can create a little bit cheaper, but not by much. Like, I mean, you're saving few dollars at the end of the day if you create your own system. And that's gonna take some time. So let's confirm. And as you can see here, my token address is here. You can click and it goes to SolScan. And yeah, and that's gonna appear now in a few minutes. Usually takes a few minutes till all the metadata goes in, you know, and the image, everything uploads. And then it's gonna appear here. Oh, there you go. So we have it here already, my token, as you can see. Now you could go and to Radium and let me show you as well that connect wallet, Phantom, connect. And then you go to liquidity, create liquidity, concentrate. The cheapest one is standard AMM. That's what I would go for, but you can do the concentrated liquidity either way if you want, you know, but I go always with this one. So then you select, let's find our token address. So token is this. Let's copy. And then you select your token. You write my token, add your token. There it is, our token here. And then basically you can select in here, let's say I want to put 5 Solana into liquidity pool. So it would be $644. And then you can mix it with, let's say if you have 1 billion tokens, so you want to keep some, if you're a utility project, I don't know if you're a meme or a utility, but if you're a utility project, you need some money for advertising. People understand that. So it means that you're going to keep certain percent of the token on your account. So let's say we're keeping 20%. So we would go for 800 million. And that means we're keeping 20%. And after that, initialize liquidity pool, and that's it. You confirm with your wallet, you know, and it sends the tokens into the what's called into the pool. Then afterwards, the another thing about it is that you have to, if you want to make the coin super legit, you have to go into Sol Incinerator, connect your wallet, and basically when you do that, you have to go and burn LP tokens. So in here it will show up, because when you add to Radium your liquidity, you're gonna get these LP tokens back from Radium saying, here's the tokens to represent this is you who are the one put the money in. So what you do is, to lock the liquidity, you will go into Sol Incinerator and you're gonna burn those LP tokens, meaning that you lock the liquidity and you cannot withdraw the liquidity, because otherwise you could go into Radium in the settings and withdraw the liquidity after, even after somebody has traded already a token. You could pull all that money out from them. So usually it's the best case to lock the liquidity, or have a very good reason why you're not locking the liquidity, but usually there is no good reason for that, so mostly it's a scam. So yeah guys, this is how you create the token and how you fully add liquidity as well, burn the tokens and so on. So basically that's the whole idea how to make. But the most important part is our soltool.io, because here's the deal. This is $10, roughly $10. It can be slightly up or down because of Solana, dipping or going up. But at the moment it's under $10, and you can actually create tokens for very cheap. Because if you go to Slurf Tools, whatever it's called, Slurf Tools, yeah. Let's say we go into Slurf Tools, and let's go to popular tools, token creation. You will see that the price is 0.1 plus the fees that it costs to actually get your token up on Solana. So metadata and everything, it's gonna be on top. So it's gonna be roughly, depends on, as I said, on Solana price, but usually it will be around $28, $25 to create a token. So yeah, so that's fairly expensive, comparing like double, more than double, almost triple the price of our tool. So why would you waste your money on something that doesn't cost, you can make it for $10 where you will spend $28. So yeah guys, soltool.io. I am doxed, as well as you can see here, as well as you can go on my TikTok. I have like around 4,000 followers. I create content mostly every day. And yeah, so we're not here to do any nonsense. We're here to stay. We're building, as you can see, a volume bot, TXN bot. So we're gonna create those two as well. Actually, volume bot is already created, but when we have to put it on website, it's a little bit different story. It's a little bit harder to create. But anyway, the idea here is that we're working on these things. Plus, we're gonna be doing the what's called the game, competitive game. So if you're following me on a long run, you will find out that we have another big project coming up. So it's really good for you guys as well, So make sure to follow me on YouTube as well as TikTok. You can find my TikTok here. By the way, as well, just want to let you know that if you're still not sure how to create a token fully, even though I explained it here, you can go to read on Medium. That's my post, actually, as you can see, my first name, second name. Let me just turn off these things. And here you can see it, like everything basically from step one, what each place, like, supply, how it works, decimals, how it works. You can see all this information here. So I made a little blog basically explaining everything, how everything works, what's the images to use, overall everything. So if you need like extra help or just want to watch it, again, and see how to create it, here's the tutorial, basically, more or less. So it's at the bottom of my page, and you can see there is my TikTok here. So Art Gaps Official, as you can see, for 4,473 followers. So yeah, we have some bit of content. So yeah, so guys, make sure to try it. By the way, this video is gonna loop. I'm gonna loop it. I'm gonna put it on live, but I'm gonna loop it so you can watch it and watch it again. I'm gonna turn it on every day for a certain time, because we're trying to grow our, brand, business, and so on. So we're just trying every way possible. And live videos, I think it's quite good by showing people things, and as well, you know, giving them something that is cheap comparing to everyone else in the market. So yeah, guys, make sure to follow, and let's spin this video again.